How to use Cash App loans or borrow option. If you want to use Cash App loans, first of all you must make sure that you are eligible for loans by itself. If you're not eligible for loans, you will not be able to go ahead and then use those Cash App loans. In order to do this, what we have to do is after you launch Cash App, just come to the home tab. So you'll be on this page, you'll come to the home tab, and if you're eligible for borrowing, you'll find the option to borrow money. You can also try to go to cash balance if you don't see it, and you might find over here an option called borrow. From here, once it's selected, you're eligible. Select the desired loan amount, review the terms and conditions, confirm your personal information like social security number, cash pin, legal name, address, date of birth, and then confirm your borrowing request. The funds will be deposited into your Cash App balance immediately. This way you can use Cash App loans feature. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.